Hello, everybody. How are you? I feel excited. Woo! Today we are talking about toys. Do you like toys? I like toys. My favorite toy is a bicycle. What's your favorite toy? Today, I want you to write 3 things in your English notebook. Number 1, what day is today? Today is, please write it in your English notebook. Number 2, what's the weather like outside? Please write the weather is in your notebook. And number 3, what's your favorite toy? My favorite toy is a bicycle. What's your favorite toy? Please write, my favorite toy is. Great job. After, there's a new YouTube video for you to watch. Good luck and have fun. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.